Gentlemen of the press, good afternoon. At today's council, we will receive a presentation on sustainable platform for agriculture by the Senior Special Assistant to the President on Innovation in person of Nasre M. Mama, where he presented a Katsina model, which is sustainable platform for agriculture as a model for adoption by subnationals. And part of the solution to challenges militating against improved agricultural productivity and sustainability in Nigeria, where he further focused on empowering smallholder farmers and developing agribusiness across the value chain. And for that, a resolution was reached where Council commended the innovation to deploy technology to address challenges faced by farmers across the country, and also urged state governments to replicate the model across all the 36 states, including FCT. Council also directed the Ministry of Agriculture and Food Security to establish pilot schemes on agriculture where to capture data as well as control centers in 6 geopolitical zones by 2026. Also, a presentation was made by the Honorable Minister of Art and Culture, Tourism and Creative Economy, where issues were discussed relating to cultural creativity in Nigeria, having realized the importance of creativity industry in the country, such as Motherland Initiative, expected outcome, where we can also attract diaspora investment into the country. There's also the Zuma International Fund Festival that was adequately discussed at the council. Certain recommendations were made from different state governors, and therefore NEC endorsement of the Zuma Festival in Nigeria, National Festival of Art and Culture, NAFest 2025. There should also be a national calendar for festivals across the states in the country. Minister should also find a way to capture about 700 festivals across the country, where also a platform will be created for that to fine-tune all the process in the country. Now, the resolution reached is members to buy into this agenda of the Creative Ministry. Also, the ministry should reckon with the Cross River State Calabar Carnival, as well as other carnivals that are taking place within the country. This is what was reached at the council as far as the minister's presentation is concerned. Thank you very much.